The video is our niece and I'm back. So on today we're making our copycat Subway sandwiches. So I have some everything French bread, and then I just have the regular French bread. Now, I'm not going to show y'all me making both sandwiches. I'm going to show y'all me making the everything French bread. I have some jalapeno slices, some organic yellow mustard, some iceberg lettuce, and I will be fixing some checker fries on the side. I have the honey smoked turkey breasts, and I have some leftover deli fresh cracked black pepper turkey breasts. I have 1 tomato, and then I have 2 cucumbers, and I will be adding spinach and black olives. So if y'all new to this channel, y'all be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and share with somebody else on today. Y'all stay blessed. First, we're gonna go ahead and cut up our tomato. I already rinsed off my tomato. But then I'm gonna cut them into twos because I only have 1 tomato, and I want to make sure. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and add my Italian herb and butter. I should have cut up more butter, but hey, I'll make do what I already have. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and add the lettuce. Copycat Subway sandwich, y'all. So if y'all did enjoy this video, y'all be sure to like it, hit that subscribe button, and share it with somebody else on today. Y'all stay blessed.